Good morning, children. I am here, Maheshwar sir, and I welcome you online MB classes. So, children, today, how are you, children? How are you, children? Are you fine, children? Yes, yes, yes. Fine, very good, children. I am also fine, children. So, children, today I am also going to discuss about a varsity. Yes, about a varsity. Last day I discussed about the question and answer of the varsity 32. Am I right, children? Yes, yes. So today is an interesting varsity. That varsity is 33. What? 33. Are you children ready? Are you children ready? Yes, 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 yes. So, children, you listen. If you are new for my class, so you subscribe my channel so that you can get notification of my upcoming classes. Right, children? So, children, here you open your book, page number 60, worksheet 33. Ready? Are you with your book, pen, pencil, etc.? Yes, yes, yes. So, children, don't let's start our the question and answer of the worksheet 33. So, here the children, what do we learn? What do we learn? Yes, we learn to write a paragraph using some clues of an authentic materials. Yes, children. Here we learn how to write a paragraph using some using what using some clues of an authentic materials. पिले ए paragraph 33 रे हम कोन शिक्षा करिबा ना गोटे किपरि गोटे हम paragraph लेखि शिखिबा किपरि लेखि शिखिबा कोन ना गोटे ऑथेंटिक मटेरियल रो किछि डाटा को नै कि किछि क्लू को नै कि हमें किपरि गोटे paragraph तैयार करिबा. यस चिल्ड्रन, ऑथेंटिक मटेरियल कोन पिले हम डे टू डे लाइफ रे विभिन्न मटेरियल हम यूज करूचंती, कंज्यूम करूचंती, व्यवहार करूचंती नाही. साबुन हो, पेस्ट हो, बिस्कुट हो, मिक्सचर हो, बुझे पिले ये सब गुड़ाक सब ऑथेंटिक मटेरियल. व्हाट? ऑथेंटिक मटेरियल परमिशन नहीं, ये मटेरियल गुड़ाक स्वीकृति प्राप्त आम व्यवहार करने आमको अनुमति मिली. यस चिल्ड्रेन, यस यस यू लिसन. सो चिल्ड्रेन, like this, here is a picture you look. Yes, yes, there is a picture in front of you. That picture is Colgate. What? Colgate. Yes, it is written Calcilock Protection Colgate, strong teeth. Yes, am I right, children? You look at the picture here. It is in front of you. Yes, yes. What? Colgate toothpaste. Yes. So children, what? Let's know the about Colgate toothpaste. Yes. So children, it is a in day to day life. From in the morning we need it. Am I right? In the morning we need it. Everyone uses it. Yes. So children, here is a picture. Now I am showing you also a Colgate toothpaste. Children, you have seen Colgate toothpaste is also at your home. Yes. So children, you look, I have collected a Colgate toothpaste. Yes, yes, you look. So children, you look, this is what? This is Colgate toothpaste, dental cream, anti cavity toothpaste, strong, नहीं, best ever with amino shakti, strengthens teeth from within. Yes children, this is a Colgate toothpaste like your picture. Here children, you look, are registered. This is a registered, yes, registered product that that we can use it. It is safe to use. बुझे पिले मु तुम मान गोटे कोलगेट टूथपेस्ट जोगाड़ करी चिल पिले ये सिंबल डाला आर रेजिस्टर्ड माने आम व्यवहार करने स्वीकृति प्राप्त। यस चिल्ड्रेन, सो चिल्ड्रेन कोलगेट देखिले नहीं, सो यू लुक, यस यस यू लुक, विभिन्न पार्श्व पिले विभिन्न जिनस लिखाई। यस इट इज मेड इन इंडिया, यू लव, डू यू लव द प्रोडक्ट्स मेड इन इंडिया? यस यस very good, you should love the products that made in India. Yes yes, this is the children you look 100% vegetarian. This symbol children you should know, this product it means the product is 100% vegetarian. Yes yes, you made in India 100%, this is the symbol of 100% vegetarian. Yes, so children, so many things about the product are written here. I will see you. So this is the Colgate toothpaste. Let's start the clues, children. So children, here is the picture. Now we have some questions are given here. Name of the product, made by, net weight, date of manufacture, expiry date, price, use. Yes, these are the clues. These are the clues of the product Colgate toothpaste. Yes yes, these are the clues of the Colgate toothpaste. Yes children, you look one thing here in the picture. The product made by is not clearly visible, net weight not clearly visible, date of manufacture, expiry date, price, etc. are not clearly visible. नहीं पिले पिले जो कोलगेट चित्रटी देछि एटी मेड बाय, नेट वेट केते, मैन्युफैक्चर केबे हितला, एक्सपायर डेट केबे, प्राइस पिले किछि देखा जाउनी किंतु लेखा जाइछि, हमकु पिक्चर रे देखा जाउ नै। हमकु किंतु पिले एटी कोन करिया पड़िबो, एटी फिल अप करिया पड़िबो। हाँ ये किसी क्लू देछि, आमको ये आगे किसी फिलअप करिया पड़िबो। फिलअप कर सारा पर ये क्लू को लेकिन आम पे कौन करिया पड़िबो, तले गोटे कौन ना पैराग्राफ लिखा पड़िबो। व्हाट, गोटे पैराग्राफ लिखा पड़िबो। हाँ पिले, सो फर्स्ट वी कलेक्ट first we have to collect the informations of that product. Yes, those children, the various informations like weight, manufacture, expire date, prices are not clearly visible. जदियो देखा जाऊनी भल भाव, तेणु मु निजे गोटे कौन करछि ना कोलगेट टूथपेस्ट कलेक्ट करिछि। पिले आस देखि नै जिबा, जहाँ एठी से कहिछि लेखिबा पाई क्लू रे आमे ए कोलगेट रु देखिबा, सेटा को ही आमे एठी लेखिदबा। लेखिदेला परे तापर तळे आमे पारा तयारी करिबा। सो फर्स्ट द नेम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट। व्हाट द नेम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट? नेम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट कौन? कोलगेट टूथपेस्ट। यस चिल्ड्रन, यू लुक कोलगेट टूथपेस्ट। यस, सो मेड बाय चिल्ड्रन, देन चिल्ड्रन मेड बाय अला कोलगेट पाल्मोलाइव इंडिया लिमिटेड। चिल्ड्रन व्हाट? Palmo, this L, so this is L, PALMOLIV. So Colgate Palmolive India Limited. So children, let's see where it is written. Yes, children, here you look, children you look, here is the, here children, website www Colgate consume save water. Here is the children who look registered office, Colgate registered office Colgate Palmolive India Limited. Children, here it is written. Children, you look, children, clear, you see Colgate Palmolive India Limited, hala, this Mumbai. What? Mumbai. This is the location of the रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस ऑफ दिस कंपनी। ये कंपनी टा जो रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस मुंबई रे अवस्थित, किंतु कंपनी है कोलगेट पाल्मोलाइव इंडिया लिमिटेड। क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? सो नेक्स्ट नेट वेट चिल्ड्रन। व्हाट? नेट वेट पिले। सो चिल्ड्रन यू लुक नेट वेट, you find children where it is written net weight. Children, you look, this is 100 gram, this is 100 gram. Children, you look, 100 gram, yeah, am I right? Yes. So write down 100 gram. Net worth, children, 100 gram. Next, date of manufacture. Children, what? Date of manufacture. Yes, children, you look where it is written. So you children look, date of manufacture. Children, here this is rupees 54, this is 54 rupees. CP packing, June 21. Children, June 21, 6 hela 06 hela for month and 21 for year. ताने जून 21 रे जून मास जून 2021 मसीह प्रोडक्ट तैयारी होती 06 है 21. हियर चिल्ड्रन डेट ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चर है 06 2021 also. Then children, expire date. What? Expire date. Each every product has a expire date. So here children, expire date, let's see where it is written. Expire date. Yes, children, you look. Here children, you look, expiry 24 months from manufacture. Children, जेबे manufacture हला manufacturing date जेबे हला सेबे टू 24 मास 24 months means 2 year भितर आमे प्रोडक्ट यूज करवा देबे तैयारी हेची सेठू 2 वर्ष भितर 2 वर्ष भितर आमे से प्रोडक्ट को करवा व्यवहार करि परिबा ता पार हे गेले प्रोडक्ट एक्सपायर्ड हे गेला आ व्यवहार करि परिबा नाही तने एक्सपायर 24 months from manufactured. Clear children? So here I have written what? June 2023. 2021 थिला 22 23. Clear? So children, price 54. Already I have shown you. Here children, look, price is 54. कितने? 54. 54 price. Yes, this is about the clues of our product Colgate. So price also 54. Then children, you look, use. Why use? Why do we use this product? Why do we use this product? Use for whitens, brightens, remove stains, deodorizes and protects enamel. हाँ पिले दांत सफा दांत को सफा रखिया पाई ब्राइट दांत टिके फिट हेबो चकचक करिवो रिमूव स्टेन्स दागा फागा थिले हटे देबो डिओडराइज मध्य बढ़िया बासना करियो पाटर स्मेल भल रखिवो एंड प्रोटेक्ट्स एनामेल दांत जो बॉडी रो जो हार्डेस्ट पार्ट दांतर जो ऊपरटा से एनामेल टा को करियो पिले प्रोटेक्ट करिवो बुझुची. Yes. Also use 2 times. Yes, use. We use paste 2 times in a day. दिन रे 2 थर मध्ये पेस्ट यूज करंती 2 times. So children, it's the time. Let's write a paragraph using these clues here that I discussed. Are you ready? Ready? Yes. So children, you look that I have written a short paragraph about the product that I shown you. Here children, you look, the product name is Colgate. Yes, it is given except Colgate. No other products is there. So here name of the toothpaste the name of my toothpaste is जोड़ा पहले मैं तुमको देखैली Colgate toothpaste. It is made by Colgate Palmolive India Limited. The net weight is 100 gram. It was manufactured on June 2021 and its expiry date is June 2023. The best use of this product is before 2 years. Before BEFORE, before 2 years. The price of this product is 54 rupees. The main uses are for whitens, brightens, remove stains, deodorizes and protects enamel. Yes, children. Yes, this is about the activity varsity 33. Also, this is about the product Colgate toothpaste. So, children, I hope you all enjoy my class. If you like my class, you do like, share, and subscribe my channel. So, children, are you happy? Are you happy? Yeah.
अभी मजा आएगा.
So, children, I am very happy. So, children, it's the time. Let's stop. Next day, I will come with another varsity. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye.